I'm going to show you how to use the new artificial intelligence selective masking tools that are available now in the Camera Raw filter. It's part of Photoshop. Let me show you how to do this. It'll take about 45 seconds. Let's go. Delete all these things here. So I'm just going to clear all the smart filters, starting from scratch. First step, make sure it's a smart object. Right click on it like I did there. Convert to smart object. Now go up to the top, go to filter, select Camera Raw filter, and you get a whole bunch of options. What you want to do is you want to select the third one down. That's this one here, and it's the masking option. When you do that, you'll see it's doing a little thinking, and then under people, it actually found a person. So it's identified that this is a person, and then it breaks it into its constituent parts: face, skin, body, eyebrows, etc. We, of course, want the hair. Click on that, and then click on Create. Now, the last step to change the hair color is simple. Just go down here to the hue and then just adjust it. Let's go with some rock and roll purple. And again, if you want to make it a little brighter or less saturated, go ahead and do that. And that's it. You can dial it in as you see fit. That's how you do it, guys, in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching.